Hello everyone, my name is Samaya Gonzalez and this is my week 6 discussion board for MPA 530, Public Finance and Budgeting. The agenda for this presentation is to review the top 3 revenue sources for the City of Glendora, identify the percentages of these revenue sources, and identify the tax structure the city follows, then conclude the presentation. We're reviewing the City of Glendora's adopted budget. Their top 3 revenue sources are taxes, water, and service charges. As you can see at the top left-hand corner, there is a pie chart that shows how the City of Glendora receives their revenues for resources. The first says taxes, which is roughly 44%, and they get that from obtaining taxes or applying taxes on property, sales, and business. They also receive about 32% on water services and approximately 11% on service fees, which are driven by permits and fees. As we learned throughout this week's lecture, we have to understand the difference between progressive and regressive tax structure. A progressive tax structure says that taxes are larger percentages on income from higher income people than for lower income groups, and regressive says that taxes take a larger percentage of income from lower income groups than from higher tax groups. So we'll be taking these two definitions and applying it to to determine what the tax structure is for the City of Glendora. 2 articles that I was able to locate to assist with the understanding of progressive versus regressive tax structure were the following. The first was titled, "Are Local Property Taxes Regressive, Progressive, or What?" And in this article, the author discussed that usually property taxes are commonly regarded as being regressive. However, there's 2 dominant values or views of property tax that would disagree. It says underneath the capital tax view, the national element of tax is that a tax on real estate capital, which makes it somewhat inefficient but progressive given the distribution of ownership of the property. And then it also states that under the benefit view, the local component of property taxes is not really a tax but a fee for service. This means that as the property values fluctuate amongst the City of Glendora, potentially it could appear that those individuals with a lower income may not be able to purchase the property versus those who has a higher income. The second article was titled "The Sales Tax Regressivity Under Alternative Tax Bases and Income Concepts." And basically, this article discussed viewed if income is really the cause or the driver for identifying whether or not a tax or sales tax is implemented. And basically the studies show that no, the sales tax is based off of the same tax across the board of all individuals regardless of their income. In conclusion, the City of Glendora practices a regressive tax structure. The same amount of taxes is applied across the board regardless of an individual's income. When it pertains to sales tax, the sales tax for the City of Glendora is 10.25%. So if you're purchasing an item, you are paying 10.25%. When it pertains to property tax, which is the largest source of revenue, it's the same amount of property taxes across the board regardless of the income of the individuals living within that actual or within the actual property. These are my references. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.